Hey class, it's Professor Tafaro. A couple of quick terms that I want you to remember as we're moving from Unit 1 into Unit 2. The first is consumer decision making, specifically the stages of consumer decision making. You saw this on the first blog, and you'll see it again on the first milestone. So remember that each of your milestones build upon each other until we get to the final assignment. Go back to page 223 in your ebook, and please reread the section on the stages of consumer decision making so that you can familiarize yourself with this term. The second concept is going to be market segmentation. There's always a lot of confusion because market segmentation is not the same thing as your target market. So while you're reading the required reading for Unit 2, please make sure you are looking for this term and that you understand it. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, good luck and stay tuned for more announcements.